Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva. We woke up late today. It's like we woke up around 10. We are still very tired, but yeah, we woke up and at 10 we go running for the breakfast because they were closing breakfast at 10. And now we are starting our day tour for Abu Dhabi. So I sit and research all the places. I check the photos and everything, and according to the plan, the first thing we need to do is go to the mosque because at 2 it closes. And we are just on our way. Let me show you the way how it looks, Abu Dhabi. Guys, here is the mosque that we are going to, and it's one of the biggest mosques here in United Arab of Emirates, and this is how it looks. Wow. From our hotel it costed like 40 dirhams. 40 dirhams becomes 40 into 5, 200 pesos, and it was a distance of 20 kilometers. Pretty good price. Look at it. Yeah guys, we reach. Here it how it looks. And the fare, we are going with the taxi today, not with the Uber. So the fare becomes 40 dirhams. Guys, to enter the mosque, you need to wear the traditional clothes from here, and it costs like 45 dirhams.
Yes.
So the 45 dirhams is fixed by this management from the mosque, and everyone is selling for the same price. So there is no difference between the prices if you buy from this shop or from the other shop or from the other shop. But I find this guy who is speaking Hindi, so I was more comfortable with him rather than going elsewhere. And Gyan is trying one after another. I think this blue looks really good. Yeah, this color looks better. Huh? It looks beautiful. Yeah. Same price. This 45 dirhams becomes, guys, like 250 pesos. 250 pesos. And for the kids, I'm buying one brownie. The brownie is almost ready. Here is the brownie. I'll pay by card. Here everywhere you can use card, so it's pretty good because you don't have to carry so much cash, and not carrying so much cash means you will not lose money in conversions. So yeah, here is the brownie. Bro, which country are you from? No tap inside. Uganda. Many people from Uganda here? Yeah, many? This my friend is from Uganda. And there is the mosque, guys. Mosque. Here is something that I don't know. What is this in front? It's a mall. Down. Ah, okay. It's a mall down. Brownie costed, guys, like 15 dirhams. 15 into 5 becomes like 80 Mexican pesos. Guys, you need to buy access pass. So for the access pass, you just need to go to one machine there, or you can get it online. Fill up the details and then you can enter directly in the mosque. Pretty easy. It's free. You don't need to buy something. You don't need to pay something. It's just a formality that you are there to the terms and condition of the mosque. Guys, we are entering the mosque, so we were trying. I don't know how. But they just asked if you want to go to the mosque, you can use this. Okay, so we just said the family, and I also had to change this thing because I have one T-shirt which has one Jaguar, so they don't allow the symbols inside. They don't allow even the tattoo, so I had to pay for the sleeves and this much, and it costed me 10 dirhams more. But it's good. Whatever the rules are rules of here, so we need to follow them. Guys, here we reached the mosque, and this is the entrance. Here are all the rules that you need to follow if you visit the mosque. So I was lacking one or two the rules, and here it is, the big mosque of Sheikh Zayed. So guys, this is the mosque. It looks beautiful. Let me zoom it in to show you the architecture more deep. It's a white marble mosque. All the colors are white. And we will be entering the mosque. Kids are playing here and there, chilling out. Man is over there. Yeah guys, the tour was good. It looks very beautiful. And now we are going back to the mall. I cannot shoot so much because we cannot explain things here. But yeah, here it is what it is. I'm wearing this traditional dress because of this reason, guys. Guys, we ordered this platter. So this platter has samosas. It's like samosas, but a little different. These are chicken wings. These are not onion rings. These are made from squid, and these are the shrimps. And this is salad. Looks pretty good. The plate. Let's see how it tastes. Guys, here is the food. This is the chicken biryani. This was the platter, but the chicken biryani is also huge. Came with 2 different type of sausages and also chili. So here is biryani enjoying the food from United Arab Emirates. Today I am eating biryani after 9 months. So it tastes delicious. The mouth is watering and it's really tasty. Guys, we have reached one beach. It's called Corniche here in Abu Dhabi. So this is the most famous beach, and this is the beach front, and how do you say, the marine front of Abu Dhabi. Looks beautiful, very huge, have a lot of activities, and it's called Family Beach, guys. Family Beach. We are just waiting for the sunset because if you can see, the sun is going down over there, and it's called Family Beach right here. So yeah, we'll be chilling here for 1 or 2 hours at least before moving to other place. I think we will be going to visit the Emirates Mall. Guys, I'm walking here at the river front or the beach front, you can call both. And backside the sun is going down slowly and slowly. So we wanna wait for the sun to go down, and that side is the Emirates Palace. Como para la família de aqui, pero não sei, hay playas privadas também do outro lado. de dos lados. Guys, this side is family beach, and basically if you are male you cannot go inside. You need to be a family with a woman or a girl and the kids, only then you can enter. But to enter also you need to pay some amount of money. For a family of 4, for example 2 adults 2 kids, it's almost 30 dirhams, which means 600-700 rupees. And you can also have one option of sun bed and everything, which increases the cost. Amigos, tengo un choque cultura aquí en United Arab Emirates Árabes, que la gente no está tomando, amigos, no hay chelas, no hay la gente disfrutando con los hieleros, con la música. Sí, la gente está disfrutando, pero sin música y sin, como dice, chelas. En México es muy común para ver gente tomando en todos los lados, muy normal, especialmente en la playa. Sin cervezas no vale la playa. Entonces aquí, nosotros está aquí, sí hay todas las cosas para niños, para caminar, para relajar, puede entrar a la playa, todo, pero no hay chelas, amigo. Entonces yo tengo un choque cultural aquí. Estoy viendo la gente, los chicos jugando vóley, pero no hay ninguna chela así. Entonces eso es un choque cultural bastante por mí. Ahora que estoy viviendo en México para casi 2 años, llegamos a un país donde la gente no toma. Entonces sí toma, pero como es bastante caro. Por ejemplo, ayer fue para Burj Khalifa. En el restaurante se vende chela, una pint de Corona, por ejemplo, por 200 pesos o 40 dirham. 40 dirham significa 220 pesos por un cerveza, amigos. Entonces,
¿grande o chiquita?
Es como 500 mililitros, medio litro. Entonces,
¿Cuánto?
Medio litro.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
40 dirham, como 220 pesos.
Ah, sí está caro.
Sí, entonces eso es un choque cultura para mí ahora, llegando a Dubái. Ya en India es más relega, sí, en India sí la gente toma más, pero no toma en las calles como en México. Entonces un choque cultura bastante. Ahora nada más porque nosotros tengo poco tiempo en el atardecer, nada más observando cosas. Eso sí pasa con mi mente, que ya es un choque cultura grande, amigos.
Para un palacio, me parece que es un hotel, pero...
Guys, look at these buildings. These buildings are very beautiful.
Y bueno, aquí en la Corniche está muy bonito el lugar, muy familiar.
And we are going
Hay
there to
playas
that
también
palace.
para familias.
It's called the Emirates Palace. It's one of the things to do here in
Y está garantizado que
Abu Dhabi, so we are going there.
el precio es de
This is how it
150
looks.
pesos para una familia de 4 miembros.
Guys, look at the palace. It's very big. It looks beautiful. We just arrived at Emirates Palace, and look at these buildings. These buildings look so beautiful, and the angle like this, the way they are shaped, looks beautiful. And the flag of United Arab Emirates. There are hotels, Grand Hyatt, Bab Al Qatar Hotel, and even the palace from the other side looks very beautiful. So let's just go down and see what it holds. How we can shoot from the other side. I took from the car, but because of the crystal was a little dirty of the car, it didn't come good. But wow, look from there, all the buildings. That building over there. Then it's like these 3-4 buildings. These are the iconic buildings that explains Abu Dhabi. And you will find, if in everywhere you search Abu Dhabi, you will find these three buildings together, and this is the flag. And one hotel room here in this palace costs 3,640 dirhams, which comes out to be almost 20,000 Mexican pesos. Guys, just look at it. Just look at it. How beautiful it looks, the buildings right now with all the lights. Let me just zoom in. This is the Emirate Palace from the other side. So this side it looks how it looks, and this side is the Emirate Palace. It's beautiful. The room cost here approximately 3,640 dirhams. It's almost like 80,000 rupees per night or $1,000 per night. But look at the palace. It's one of the best hotel here in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So no doubt that if you come here, you don't have to worry about anything else. And this side is the signature buildings of Abu Dhabi. So yeah, guys, we order one coffee here just by the side of this Palacio Emirates, or one coffee of gold. It's actually gold, guys, if you can see it. I don't know if it's 24 karat, 18 karat, 14 karat, but yeah, it's gold, I think. And it is served with one date or one biscuit. And first time trying one gold coffee here in Abu Dhabi. Let's see, it costed 80 dirhams. 80 dirhams means like your $20 or like almost 1,600 rupees, 1,700 rupees. But let's see. And it stretches out like, I don't know, I think there are more places. This is called the Dates Market of Abu Dhabi, very famous, one of the tourist attraction here. And then, and everyone is calling to the shops because they want to sell. So yeah, let me just go and walk a little more to the other side and see what all they have. It also looks like a, how do you say, the warehouse for delivering fruits and vegetables here. Nice. That side Gana is coming, so we're gonna going to the other lane just to see what is all there. Guys, this is the Dates Market. As you can see, it's all market.
You go that side and shoot also that is.
Into the market of dates. Basically, there is a whole market selling dates. So they are selling dates in all kind of forms. They have gifted us one with a chocolate. We're gonna try it, and they have different varieties. Many varieties have different taste. But these chocolate ones are really amazing.
This one I like what
Guys, the crossings here are like this. In the center of Abu Dhabi, you find crossings like this where there are many people crossing the road. All the crossings are like this, many rush. And in evening, Abu Dhabi comes alive. It looks very live, guys. Very guys. We wanted to eat like South Indian food, but they say it is only available for breakfast. So we have here North Indian food, dal makhni, rice and naans. So that's we're gonna eat. The kids are eating one chicken soup with rice. Not chicken soup, sorry, seafood soup with rice.